What is StudioPilot? StudioPilot is your AI assistant sidekick who can control Ableton and do all the boring things that you don't want to do. Now, we're not making this to replace humans, because at the end of the day, nothing will sound as good as your creativity, and that's a fact. However, we do always want to speed up the process and get through our tracks quicker. Now, the thing is with AI, it's heading in a direction where if you don't get onto it now, someone else is. So you either get with the times or you get left behind. And unfortunately, that's just how it is. So today I'm going to be showing you the full setup, how to implement it, the things I've done to customize this to make it really stand out and make it as easy as possible. That includes the AI analyzing sound waves, because as you should be aware, AI can't actually hear, but it can analyze sound waves. And if it can analyze sound waves, it can give a good mix and master to get you going, and then you use your own ears to complete it. And that's the same with creating a track. Now, the problem we've all had is, and mainly me, that's why this was built, was I want to use my own samples, and I'm sure you do as well. So I'm going to be showing you the ins and outs, the setup. For this, you will be needing Claude Code, if you're not aware, or Codex. If you're not aware what Claude Code or Codex is from ChatGPT. So if you have ChatGPT, you already have Codex, and they are AI agents. So a bit about me, I have a background in AI engineering, so that's why I had this solution, and I've been a producer for a very long time now, and my sister is a full-time singer. So we've always been in the studio making music, and one of the main things that we struggled with was completing songs. I have hundreds and hundreds of unfinished songs. So what this has allowed me to do is go back, experiment with the songs, finish the songs off, change the arrangements, have a quick mix and master on it, test new ideas on it, and bring songs back to life that I thought was dead. So this can really help you a lot. Get more music out there, get seen, and as we know with the times now, things are really changing and speed is everything. So yes, if you have Codex or you have Claude, this will work perfectly. We also have a desktop app. So if you want a one-click install, and it will be available very soon. It's currently in beta mode, so we're only allowing a few users at a time because we're still testing and adjusting. However, I'm going to be showing you today the setup with tools that you may already have. And if you haven't got them, I will show you how to get them and how to use them and how to implement this from start to finish. So you can start using this today. So let's start.